Big breaking news coming in. Actor Nora Fatehi has been called in by the Enforcement Directorate for questioning in the Sukesh Chandrasekhar money laundering case. Accused Sukesh has been in custody in a 200 crore money laundering case, and there have been Bollywood links that have emerged before as well, because you had actor Jacqueline Fernandez being summoned and questioned in the same case. The latest name that's emerged is that of Nora Fatehi. She's been summoned by the Enforcement Directorate to be questioned in this money laundering case. These actors, it seems, are also linked to Sukesh Chandrasekhar, which is why they're being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. Munish Pandey is joining us with more details on this. Munish, any information right now on why Nora Fatehi has been summoned? Does she have information that the ED believes will be useful in this case? How is she linked to it?
Yeah, well, Akshita, she is the second actress from Bollywood who is being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. Now, what we have been given to understand is that earlier, twice Jacqueline Fernandez was questioned for her alleged association with Sukesh Chandrasekhar, the con man who defrauded a businessman's wife in Delhi for 200 crore rupees while sitting in jail. And now Nora Fatehi has been called for questioning. Now, I asked the specific question to the officer, who is involved in the case, and that officer told me by today evening, once the statement of Nora Fatehi is recorded, then only they will come to know that whether these two actresses are suspect or witness in the case. Now, that officer also told me every time anyone is being questioned, they are claiming that they are also a victim of Sukesh Chandrasekhar. But ED has also found some evidence, found some transactions based on which they also have suspicion on these people that how and why they were associated with Sukesh Chandrasekhar. Sukesh Chandrasekhar, as of now, he is in jail, but ED has arrested few people in this case, and soon they will be taking Sukesh Chandrasekhar also in their custody. But his association with the Bollywood actresses, it has become very interesting, turns of event in the case. And now what ED claims that there are more people who might be questioned in this case very soon. And Nora Fatehi is expected at 11 o'clock, you can say, just after some time from now, before the Enforcement Directorate for questioning, and it is going to be a long day for Bollywood actress Nora Fatehi.
We'll track the updates on the story very closely. For the moment, Munish, thank you very much for joining us.